Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. Air dominance and deterrence remain central pillars of United States military doctrine. As a result, the United States Air Force has introduced some of the most capable strategic bombers ever built. These aircraft range from the B-29, the first bomber with a pressurized cabin, and the one that delivered nuclear weapons on Japan, to modern platforms that are nearly invisible to radar, such as the B-2 or the long-serving B-52. Germany in the Second World War had already explored the potential of the flying wing layout through the Horten Ho Tu-29. Today, stealth bombers like the B-2 Spirit and the B-21 Raider rely on advanced classified technologies to avoid detection. Their flying wing shape, radar-absorbent materials, and specialized coatings significantly reduce their radar signature. With these features, they can slip through sophisticated air defense networks to deliver both conventional and nuclear weapons, often operating at night to enhance concealment during strategic bombing missions. As the B-1B Lancer ages, it is likely that the upcoming B-21 Raider will eventually take its place. In the meantime, the B-1B Lancer continues to be one of the most capable bombers in the U.S. Air Force in Europe. It is smaller and presents a lower radar cross-section than the older B-29 and B-52 bombers. With its blended wing body layout and swept wings, the Lancer remains highly maneuverable and supersonic. Practical maintenance training on the B-1B is conducted through multiple approaches, including the use of a trainer aircraft. The B-1B Spectre 86-1 Knot 9 was repurposed as a maintenance trainer at the EDMX Training Center. Once retired from active service, the F-1 Knot 1 engines, key avionics systems, and other components were extracted and installed in operational aircraft. Due to the B-1B's variable sweep wing design, removing these substantial components could lead to stability problems. Two 2,640-pound counterweights were installed to offset the lost engine mass, preventing the aircraft from becoming tail-heavy and ensuring stability during ground handling and training exercises. Maintaining this balance is essential because the swept wing configuration shifts the aircraft's center of gravity. Since entering service in 1986, the B-1B Lancer has aged considerably. Consequently, replacement parts are not easily obtainable. At facilities like Ellsworth Air Force Base, components are manufactured in highly advanced fabrication shops. Maintenance facilities at Ellsworth Air Force Base employ advanced manufacturing technologies, including CNC machines, precision lathes, and industrial 3D printers to produce replacement B-1B components. The machine shop features multi-axis milling equipment, EDM, electrical discharge machining systems, and contemporary welding tools. They also utilize coordinate measuring devices for quality assurance and reverse engineering methods to recreate parts that are out of production, ensuring fleet sustainability through on-site manufacturing. Enhancements such as the battle station upgrade have kept the Lancer a formidable aircraft more than 30 years after its introduction. The battle station upgrade for the B-1B Lancer greatly enhances the Offensive Systems Operator, OSO, and Defensive Systems Operator, DSO, positions. It replaces older monochrome panels with modern full-color displays, boosting situational awareness and targeting performance. With redesigned ergonomic controls and upgraded software interfaces, crew members can process data more effectively. Additional improvements include enhanced digital mapping, threat detection screens, and weapon management systems. This upgrade integrates seamlessly with existing defensive and offensive systems while allowing future enhancements. Battle Station significantly improves crew efficiency and mission effectiveness. Prior to any flight, the aircraft must undergo thorough checks. B-1B pre-flight maintenance involves comprehensive system tests and servicing. Maintenance personnel meticulously inspect all four F1 Not 1, GE1 Not 2 engines, including oil levels, fuel systems, and intake divided by exhaust areas. They evaluate hydraulic systems for the variable sweep wings and flight controls. Check tires for condition and pressure, and assess fuselage structural integrity. Electronic systems, including radar, communications, and weapons, are also tested. Environmental controls and pressurization systems, along with emergency and ejection seats, are verified. Crew members conduct FOD, foreign object damage, walks to keep the flight line clear. All inspections are recorded using strict Air Force directives and checklists. Engines demand particular attention. The B-1B's F1 Not 1, GE1 Not 2 engines are examined in specialized noise reduction facilities called hush houses, which contain and dampen the loud sounds of engine operation. These enclosed structures allow maintenance crews to run engines at full power while performing diagnostics and maintenance procedures. The facility features enhanced acoustic treatment, sufficient ventilation, and specialized thrust containment. Within this controlled environment, technicians can record engine performance metrics such as thrust output, fuel flow, temperature, and pressure. Hush houses are equipped with fire suppression systems and emergency shutdown mechanisms. This controlled setting ensures correct engine operation while protecting personnel and nearby areas from noise and jet blasts. certain B-1B munitions require extensive preparation. The B-1Bs, quick-strike naval mines, are constructed in dedicated munitions facilities. The procedure starts with Mk-80 series bomb bodies being transformed into mines using specialized conversion kits. Technicians employ the Munitions Assembly Conveyor (MAC) system to safely and efficiently move components through the assembly process. The conversion involves fitting mine-specific fusing, sensors, and target detection equipment. Each mine demands careful assembly of its activation and detonation mechanisms. Environmental sealing is vital because of the mine's maritime role. Quality control is performed at multiple stages to ensure correct assembly and arming. Due to the sensitive components, stringent safety protocols regulate the entire procedure. After the specific munitions are prepared, they must be loaded. When installing weapons such as the GBU-31 Joint Direct Attack Munition, JDAM, onto the B-1B's rotary launcher assembly, USAF munitions personnel follow precise procedures. The operation starts with a thorough inspection of the weapon's components, including lugs, data plates, and guidance kits. Once verified, the munition is mounted using the MHU-83 jigger, capable of handling ordnance up to 2,000 pounds. Teams carefully align the JDAM with the BRU-56 bomb rack, following established checklist protocols. The weapon is then secured, followed by weight and movement verification. Stabilization systems are engaged to keep the launcher steady during rotation. This process requires exact coordination among personnel while adhering strictly to safety regulations. Few aircraft have captured global attention like the B-2 Spirit, developed by Northrop Grumman. Its origins date to the 1970s, when the U.S. Air Force required a new bomber capable of penetrating advanced enemy defenses and delivering both nuclear and conventional ordnance. Designed during the Cold War for stealth bombing deep within hostile territory, the B-2 was officially introduced in 1988. Its groundbreaking combination of low observable technology, high aerodynamic efficiency, and substantial payload capacity provides the B-2 with significant advantages over other contemporary bombers. The B-2 Spirit can transport a diverse range of munitions, including nuclear bombs, GPS-guided Joint Direct Attack Munitions, JDAMs, and even massive ordnance penetrator bunker buster bombs within its 2 internal bomb bays. Its design enables delivery of these payloads with extreme precision while preserving stealth characteristics, making it a vital component of the U.S. strategic bomber fleet. The B-2's bomb bays can accommodate multiple configurations, allowing seamless adaptation to varied mission needs. To guarantee accurate loading and deployment of complex munitions, The B-2 employs B-2 Spirit weapons load training exercises to ensure the crew's preparedness. This training setup allows ground personnel to rehearse munitions loading within a controlled, realistic environment. The trainer replicates the precise conditions and limitations of the actual aircraft, allowing technicians to refine their skills without the dangers of live operations. The system is essential for ensuring the readiness and efficiency of the loading teams. In real-world operations, loading ammunition on a B-2 is a carefully coordinated procedure. Technicians employ specialized gear, including Munitions Handling Unit, MHU 2, not 4, and MHU 196 trailers, to move and manage munitions with meticulous care. Every weapon must be securely fastened and linked to the aircraft's sophisticated delivery systems, including rotary launchers and bomb rack assemblies. The procedure involves numerous checks, including preload inspections and system diagnostics, to guarantee that all components are fully operational and properly configured before the B-2 departs for flight. The legacy of American strategic bombers reflects a long tradition of innovation, adaptation, and unmatched global reach. From early designs that changed the course of world history to modern stealth aircraft that slip past the most advanced defensive networks, each generation has pushed the boundaries of engineering and survivability. The B-29, B-52, B-1, B, and finally the B-2 and B-21 represent a continuous line of progress shaped by new threats and new technologies. Their crews, maintainers, and support teams remain essential to keeping these aircraft mission ready, often working behind the scenes with painstaking precision. As the United States prepares for the arrival of the B-21 Raider and the eventual transition from older platforms, one thing remains constant. The strategic bomber force continues to serve as a central element of deterrence, power projection, and national defense. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.